What if I told you that you can run your entire business on autopilot using 2 tools? Like, I'm even wondering, why is nobody talking about this whole combination of these 2 tools that can literally skyrocket your business and take you to the next level? This sounds like dream, right? So that's why today I'm going to be showing you this one fantastic tool. Some of you must have heard about it. I talk about it all the time in my videos. These 2 tools will change your entire business. I'm talking about Systeme.io or Systeme.io and ChatGPT. With these 2, we will be able to turn our business into a business that runs on autopilot, thereby making us make so much money at the end of the day with the combination of these 2. So watch me as I walk you through ways you can literally skyrocket your business and automate 90% of your business systems and processes. Now, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to walk you through how you can use Systeme.io to create funnels, right? Where you can create funnels, you can create landing pages and campaigns for your business. Then we are now going to move to ChatGPT, and I'll show you how you can leverage on this ChatGPT to generate images, generate emails, generate sales copies, and customer responses, right? Response that you can send to your customer whenever they ask you certain questions. Then finally, I will just show you the workflow on how you can automate these both tools, and it will dramatically change your entire business. So without further ado, let's go into this video, how you can automate your business with Systeme.io. Now let me show you something very, very important right now. Running a business is not a joke. See what happens when you are running a business. You have a lot to do. You don't so it takes a lot. This is it. This is you, right? And you have a business. Now, by the way, this is an online business. So an online business, you have an internet here, right? You have the internet space and you have your business right here. So this is it. When you're running a business, you have so much that you need to do every single day that if you want to do them by yourself, you will waste all of your time. First of all, you need to create a landing page. A landing page is something like this, right? It's a landing page here where people come and they land for them to patronize you. So that's your landing page. Another thing you want to do in your business is you need to make sure that you have a funnel, right? A sales funnel, something that helps people to walk from one level of your business to the other, right? It takes them step by step until they patronize you, until they buy something from you. Now, another thing you also want to do in your business is you must have an email marketing in place. You can see how the whole stuff is piling up right now. So running a business is not a joke at all. Another thing you also want to do is you also need to have a customer support. See, the list goes on and on. The list goes on and on. So you have to be doing this. You need to be doing this. You need to be doing email marketing. You need to have a sales funnel. You need to have a landing page. These are all the components of an online business. If you want to run an online business, you must have this. If you don't have this component, then you are not running an online business, because this is what makes an online business an online business. So you must have this whole component. Doing this is what a lot of people are not willing to do because it takes a lot of time. And that is why if you follow me carefully in this video, I will show you step by step what you need to do, and all that's required is Systeme.io, right? Systeme.io plus ChatGPT, and when we have these 2, then we can create magic. This is an AI, while this is an automation tool, right? A system automation tool system that helps you automate every repetitive task in your entire structure of business. It helps you to handle them, and before you know it, you are working very fast in the business. So that's step number 1. Like I said, we just need these 2 tools that we can leverage on. Now, what are we using Systeme.io to do? When we are using Systeme.io, we are focused on using this tool to create sales funnels, to manage email campaigns, right? And to also build relationship on the site, because you can use this stuff to create what we call membership site. A membership site is so important from 2025 and beyond. This is key to making so much money online. But you can start with WhatsApp group or some other channels when you're starting. Then the second tool that we're going to be using out of the 2 tools that contain 3 steps, like this, is step number 1. Then step number 2, which involves the second tool, is ChatGPT. What are we going to be doing with it? We will generate our email sequence. Now, an email sequence is the series of messages that are well crafted and tailored, right, to achieve certain goal. You create this email sequence so that you can start sending them, because you sitting down, writing them, taking time to think about different type of emails to create takes time as well. Before you know, you spend 6 months and you are still deliberating if you should start your business. We also use ChatGPT to create landing page copies, right? The write-ups that you see on different websites, different platforms, all the copies, all the information there, they are called copies. Let me show you an example of a copy. So everything you see on this side, these are the copies, the write-ups. All these write-ups here, you need them. Without these things, these people, they won't be selling. This whole write-up help them to showcase and to talk about their product in a way that it resonates with us. Now we are patronizing them, we are buying from them because we literally love what they are saying and we want to give it a try. So copy is very, very important in the whole structure of the business, and that is step number 2. Now, step number 3 has to do with you bringing everything together, right? Let us automate the workflow. How do we have this write-up and the landing page affect people? Because I'm going to show you step by step and with examples how you can automate your emails such that when somebody applies, automatically they receive email. It takes them to where they are going to make payment. They make payment and they buy from you. And that is where we begin to experience the dollar rain. So let us jump into this video and let me show you what's going on. So the first part of our video today is going to be the system IO part. Now, what do we do in the first part of this whole system? The first thing you want to do is you want to go to your dashboard. When you log into system IO, you have this dashboard. On this dashboard, you see website. On that website, you see sales funnel. What we want to do, we want to create sales funnel because this is the key here. And what do we want to do with the sales funnel? We want to create a new sales funnel so that we can have place where people will come and they will now patronize us for our service. So when you click, remember Systeme.io is free tool. This tool is free, allows you to create sales funnel. You don't even need to do anything. You don't need to pay. You don't need to put your credit card. Just go sign up with the link below. The moment you sign up with it, they give you free access to this tool. If you sign up with my link, I have a special program and template that I will be giving to you for free so that you can start your business and even do a free consultation for you, give you certain advice on what to do based on my experience and what has worked for me in the past. So we want to build a sales funnel. We want to build something that will allow us collect contact, because remember here, we need information for we to be able to sell products or advertise our products. So let's go with, we want to collect email address. Let's just build an audience. So once you click this, let us build an audience, the next thing, you need to put a name. Let us have the name. Let's say group coaching. Select this, you come, what currency you want them to pay in whatever currency. Dollar is fine by me. Click save, and this will take me to a place where I will see this. Look at it here, group coaching, and I'll click on group coaching for it to open for me. It's a blank interface where I can select the template I want. So when you come to this place, you will see nice designs. The good thing about Systeme.io is that you don't need to build. You don't even need to be a tech genius for you to do this. Just come, select whatever template suits you. Whatever thing you are into, if it's coaching, just select the type of template that you know can work for your business. Now, for me now, I will just select anyone just for the sake of the examples I'm trying to just show you here. All right, let me just go with this. Let me go with this. So I select this particular template and it just bring me here. You see, I can just say group coaching template. And I come here, I say group coaching template, right? CCT. You put this together. You can either click here to go see the template, how it is, right? We can click to go see the template. Second option is we can just click here to edit. Meanwhile, we just want to see how the template look like before we even start editing the template, because this template is the first step of the entire process on how we can automate our service. How do you see? This is beautiful. What else do you need? If you're running a business, come on guys, go use Systeme.io. This is cool. This is beautiful. go use systeme.io for your website, for your business, for your landing page. I don't even need all this stuff, but see how cool this thing is. Very cool. The only thing I need here perhaps is just this. Just need to collect people's information and let's move. So what I would do is I will just go and edit. Let's go to edit. When I click on the editing part, all this part I just want to do away with them. Let me show you how to edit this whole part here. You don't need much. Click here just to delete, right? Delete here, delete. So you're watching me, everything is just delete, delete, delete. I'm just deleting everything. So you can see, since I don't need this section, I just want to delete. Delete section is beautiful, but I don't need it. So you see, for my own case, I don't need much. I just need just this place here, and I like this also. Then I can decide to still move this upward like this and all that. Can even take, let me see this section. So I think we are good to go. I just need this to show. So boom. Now let's assume this is my landing page, right? And now I have my landing page set up and ready. Can just go edit this part, right? Put something, but we will come to that. So now we have this stuff here. We have the information that we want, but you see, we need to put information in all these places. We need to customize, like put some details. Somewhere like here, we want to be able to have some information here, right? And that is where the next step in this entire video comes, because the purpose of ChatGPT is to help us with the content. That is where the AI part of this whole tutorial comes to play. Now we have the first part. We have systeme.io set up. We have our landing page. Now to customize the landing page, we need the ChatGPT. I'm going to show you something very, very important. A fantastic prompt I have that you can literally just put inside ChatGPT and it will give you the best articles that you can use on your website. Now click this particular video and let's continue in part 2. I don't want the video to be too long. That is why I broke it down into small segments like this. All right, guys, go and watch the next part and let's continue together.